Hi, my name is Alex Haug, currently attending GPS Ed as a student apprentice and graduating from St. Francis High School. This experience was amazing. Everything that I have worked hard towards is all coming together to set me towards how to be successful in my adult life. Now being ready to put it into action on my own and showing what I've learned in the classroom and the work area. I have learned and developed a lot with my mentor, Doug, at Complex Security. The relationship that I have made with Doug is important to me because he accepts me, always listened, and never judged me because he was always open-minded. Even when it was the dumbest question, Doug would always try to have me figure it out without giving me the easy answer. I will always remember how Complex Security took a chance on me when no one else would and never gave up on me. The GPS Ed achievement that I am most proud of is being CPT certified and completing and passing the OSHA 10 training. Those certifications classes help me work on myself, embrace characteristics within myself, and learn how to be safe, and use all those skills on the job each day. The GPS Ed program introduced me to the next chapter of my life by helping me learn that cleanliness is a big portion of looking and being successful in my job and life in general. In the GPS Ed program, the instructors had you on a schedule just like you were an adult working in a job. They pushed you to be the best that you could be, and Pierre and Rocio have enhanced my experience because they have shown me that they are always by my side. I might have not noticed it or even wanted it, but they were always rooting for my success. You just have to put the effort into being successful and recognize that you can do it too. Something that I have learned about myself is that I get overwhelmed. It's not best to give up and push through. You will always have some hiccups in your life, but nothing is just smooth sailing for anyone. I want to be looked at as someone who stands out from the others. In the next few months, I want to get an apprenticeship to become a successful electrician. My education in high school is coming to an end, but my education in electrical work is just beginning. So many people have helped me along the way to get this stage in my life. I would like to name a few of them. My instructors at GPS Education, my family, and my home high school. Not one of these achievements could have been reached if I didn't have a group of people in my life and the push that they gave me every day by showing me I was worth their time.